Welcome to Product Critique, your ultimate source for discovering the very best in party essentials and decorations. Today, we're bringing you what we believe is the best birthday party sign you can get your hands on, the pre-strung happy birthday banner by Perfect Occasion. And trust us when we say, this isn't your average party banner. Let's get straight to why this banner stands out. First and foremost, the major win with this product is in the name itself, pre-strung. That means when it arrives at your doorstep, it's ready to go. No fiddling around with loose letters, no threading them yourself, and no DIY nightmares before the celebration even begins. Just take it out of the package and hang it up, it's that easy. But what's even more impressive is how the banner is engineered to stay perfectly in place. You don't have to keep readjusting the letters throughout the party. Thanks to smaller punch holes, each letter grips the 8-foot strand securely. So whether you hang it flat across a wall or at an angle on your staircase, the letters stay put, no sliding, no sagging. Just perfectly spaced words from the beginning to the end of your celebration. Now let's talk design. This isn't your typical paper or cardboard sign. The happy birthday letters are made from high-quality 350 GSM cardstock. That means they're thick, sturdy, and feel premium. On top of that, the letters are covered in real gold glitter, not printed sparkle, not digital shimmer. But actual glitter that catches the light and gives your party an eye-catching centerpiece. The letters themselves are 7 inches tall, which means they're large enough to make a statement whether you're decorating a cozy living room or a big backyard bash. And because the quality is so high, you can fold it up after the party and use it again next year. This isn't a one-and-done decoration, it's made to last. The versatility is another big win. You can drape it across a mantle, hang it on a dessert table, use it as a backdrop for a photo booth, or string it along a fence outside. Wherever you decide to hang it, it will elevate your celebration. The bold gold look is suitable for adults and kids alike, men or women. It's a classy, universal design that works for everyone. And finally, what makes this banner so appealing is the fact that it's made by a small business brand. So not only are you getting a high-end decoration, but you're also supporting passionate creators who take pride in every detail. So, whether you're planning a surprise party, a family celebration, or even a last-minute get-together, this pre-strung happy birthday banner by Perfect Occasion checks every box. No DIY, real glitter, top-tier quality, and endless ways to use it. That's it for today's review. If you want to add a little extra sparkle to your next celebration without the stress, this is the sign you've been looking for. Thanks for watching Product Critique. See you in the next video.